Hi, everyone. Welcome to our info session about the Graduate Certificate in Healthcare Innovation. My name is Manjari Kamarpan, and I'm a Health Innovation Program Manager here at VCU. My background is in public health and design thinking, and I use a human-centered systems approach to designing products, services, and programs that can create a lasting impact in health outcomes and experiences. At VCU, specifically at the Vinci Center, I teach courses in health innovation and lead the Shift Health Lab, which I'll talk about here. So, the Shift Health Lab is really this bridge between academia and health related community organizations, all aimed at serving our communities in and around Richmond. We collaborate with organizations like the Veterans Health Administration, where we coach clinicians in entrepreneurship and innovation and help them develop and scale their ideas. We also work with organizations like VCU Health, where currently our graduate students are working with our rural hospitals to help improve the experiences of patients who are seeking care in the emergency room. Through these courses and Shift Health, we innovate in healthcare. This means we have the ability to not only improve a patient's experience, this means we have the ability to not only improve a patient's experience, but also improve experiences for their caregivers and the providers and staff who are delivering that care. We have an opportunity to promote good health at any point in a patient's journey, from preventative health to post-treatment. So, a question that we get often that I want to address up front is, why does this certificate matter? Well, as we all know, healthcare is evolving rapidly. And so this program equips students and professionals with the skills to drive meaningful impact. Through this certificate, you will learn about the factors that drive change, as well as the factors that hinder that change, and how we can creatively navigate around them. All of our courses are designed to be experiential, so you'll have the opportunity to apply what you learn towards a real-world challenge, going from idea to implementation. Then we'll help you showcase your skills to help you secure your next opportunity. You'll be amongst a cohort of students with a passion in health, but from a wide range of disciplines, including product innovation, business, engineering, nursing, public health, and so on. You'll also get to meet health professionals and entrepreneurs who lead in this space to learn and ask about their experiences. Together, you'll engage in thoughtful discussions and activities as we imagine and drive the future of health. So, with that, let's do a quick overview of the program itself. We designed this certificate to be flexible, interdisciplinary, and practical. Again, knowing that many of those in this certificate are working professionals. So it is designed to be part-time. That means you can complete it in 1 to 2 years. It is multidisciplinary, so you'll take courses from VCU School of Nursing and the Vinci Center for Innovation, and we offer it fully online. So what that means is that all of the School of Nursing classes that you can take are offered online, either asynchronous or synchronous. The Da Vinci courses that you can take are also offered online, and we also have some in-person options if you'd like to try one of those out. And those in-person courses are typically offered after 5 p.m., again, to accommodate the working professional. So this is a 12 credit certificate program. So you would take 6 credits from the School of Nursing. And so this includes improvement science and outcomes management, which is about quality and safety science, holistic leadership and healthcare delivery, which gives you the opportunity to perfect your communication and decision-making skills, and then implications for human and material resource management, which is an opportunity to learn more about leadership and administration in health organizations specifically. And so you'd pick 2 of those 3 courses. And then from the VCU Da Vinci Center, we have a whole host of options ranging from 1 to 6 credits. And these kind of teach you about creative problem solving and innovation, business principles. And so just take note some of those. So the 6 credit master's project in product innovation is a really cool opportunity if you have a product idea in mind already, or a program or something like that. You can use that one course to learn about kind of product innovation and take your idea as close to market as possible. So a really cool opportunity there. And then we also offer a bunch of topics courses, which again, you'd pick some of these depending on how much credits you need. So these offer deep dives into user experience, user interface, user research, prototyping, change management. And then I will also brag about the courses that I teach, which is designing the future of health. And this is really grounding design thinking and systems thinking in health specific contexts. So you learn to kind of fall in love with the problem and define that problem. and then implementing innovation in healthcare, which is where you go for some refined ideas that address that problem, learn how to experiment, test, prototype, all of those things, all the way to implementation. So you really get to see that whole level of what it looks like to develop something in healthcare. So there are lots of benefits to being enrolled in our healthcare innovation certificate. The first is really that you get to work on real world healthcare challenges. So everything that you learn and do in class is directly beneficial to patients, to providers and staff, to health related organizations, to kind of the health experience enrichment as a whole. You'll also have access to networking events and industry speakers, and we introduce you to digital collaborative tools like Miro and Adobe Creative Suite. We also share some latest methodologies that we use with organizations like Lego Serious Play, which help with that creative problem solving piece. Now, in addition to the digital tools, we also have these physical spaces that you'll have access to. So starting from the left here, we have the maker space at the Vinci Center. And this is a place where, we have 3D printers, a wood shop, kind of all of these different tools that help you bring your idea to life. And then we've got the Shift Retail Lab, which is a place where you can display your ideas and get feedback from community members directly. Then we have our classroom spaces, our conference spaces, and then from the School of Nursing, we have access to a biobehavioral research lab. So again, lots of cool spaces on campus that you'll have access to. So while I'm on this page, I'll also share a little bit about the kind of benefits it'll have for your own career growth and the impact that you can have in healthcare. So with this certificate, you'll get to develop your innovation skills to lead health system improvements, to design with a patient-centered mindset, and drive those operational efficiencies. Graduates from this program can move into a variety of roles, including healthcare leadership, consulting, having their own startups, hospital administration. Again, lots of opportunities. Now, in terms of who should apply, this program is open to both healthcare professionals who are looking to lead change and improve the systems that they're in, as well as students who are from a variety of backgrounds, whether that's nursing, medicine, public health, business, engineering. Again, we love the kind of diverse perspectives that we get to bring in. No GRE, GMAT, or MCAT test scores are required, just a bachelor's degree and a passion for health. We also have options for non-native English speakers to show their proficiency in English through a variety of methods, which are listed here. And then just one note about the GPA, we consider all applications holistically, so don't let your GPA hold you back if you think the certificate is a good fit for you. All right, and just a little bit on tuition here. If you're enrolled at VCU, tuition costs depend on the primary program that you're enrolled in. So for example, if you're a Master of Product Innovation student, you would not pay anything over the rate of that MPI program. If you're a nursing student, you wouldn't pay anything over the rate of the nursing program. Now, if you're not enrolled at VCU and you only take the certificate program, you would pay the School of Nursing rate per credit hour, which is reflected here. And note that these don't reflect university fees. There's also a tuition calculator that's linked here that you can use to calculate your specific rate. We also offer some financial aid in a variety of means. So there are some scholarships through the School of Nursing, through the Da Vinci Center, if you're also in the Master of Product Innovation program, some financial aid and loan options, either through VCU or third party, and then some graduate assistantships, which can cover some of that funding as well. Now, if you are a VCU Health employee, we do encourage you to ask your supervisor about any sort of funding assistance as well. So if any of this sounds interesting and you want to learn more, the next step is to apply. So for the summer 2025 term, the deadline would be April 15th. If you want to start in the fall, you would apply by June 15th. And if you want to start next spring, you would apply by November 1st. So what you need to submit by the next due date is your application form and fee. And we do offer some waivers for those fees. So if you need some assistance with that, please just let us know. We ask for 3 references or letters of recommendation, and this can include professional and/or academic references. Now, at the time that you actually apply, we just need the email and the name of those references. The actual letters and stuff can come later. We also ask for a statement of purpose, a resume stating relevant work experience, and then official transcripts from all schools that you attended. Now, that sums up the Healthcare Innovation Certificate Program. If you have any questions, please again reach out to Ingrid Pretzer-Aboff or Allison Schumacher, who are the co-directors of the Graduate Certificate in Healthcare Innovation. Ingrid is a professor at the School of Nursing, and Allison is a director at the VCU Vinci Center.